Hey everyone, Johan Nordstrom here from Trading Walk, and I want to show you my brand new FX master code. This is a tool that's great for both beginners and experienced traders who want to make more profit from trading. And it's a profitable 1-minute scalping strategy, and it works great on binary options. And I will show you here. You can see here it's very easy visual interface, and it's very simple to use. And the beautiful thing about this system, it works mainly on binary options, is the only thing you need to focus on is when to enter. You don't need to worry about where to place your stop loss and where to place your take profit, because using binary options, you basically just say that at the expiration time, you either say that price will be above or below a level. And if price is above a level for a buy option, you will make profit. And as you can see here, using these signals makes it so easy to know when to enter. You basically just enter at a signal. And the important thing here is you want to choose an option with expiration 3 minutes. So when you're at this candle, the signal will be generated when it closes. So when this closes and when you get the signal, you want to enter a trade where you say that 3 minutes from now, so at the close of the third candle, price is going to be higher than this level. So when you get the signal, you enter your trade, you say that after 3 candles, so after 3 minutes, price will be above this level. And as you can see here on this trade, we have 1, 2, 3. So this is a win because it expires up here, and you said that price will be above this level. So this is a win. You have this buy signal right here, and you have 1, 2, 3 candles. So this is a loss, and that's what happens. And you have this signal here. So 3 candles from now, price will be above this level because it's a buy signal. And you have 1, 2, 3. So this is also a win. You have the signal right here, a buy signal. So we say 3 minutes from now, price is going to be above this level. And you have 1, 2, 3, and this is also a win. We look at this signal right here, 1, 2, 3, also a win. This signal right here, we have 1, 2, 3, this is also a win. And you have this signal here, and basically 1, 2, 3. Most likely this will be a win. It looks like it's above the level, but let's say it's a break even just for sake of it. And you have this signal here, a sell signal. So now we say 3 minutes from now, price will be below this level. And you have 1, 2, 3. It's below the level, so this is a win. You have this signal right here, and you have sell. So below this level, 1, 2, 3. This is also a win. You have this one here, 3 minutes from now, below this level, and you have 1, 2, 3. So this is also a win. So basically, you can see here on this chart here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, possibly 9 winners and 1 loss. So just in 1 hour's time, you could have made 9 wins and just 1 loss. And you see here, basically on this chart, on this time frame, we had a 90% accuracy. You will see quite often with this strategy. It's very accurate, and just to show you that this is not a cherry-picked example, it actually works on other pairs as well. I want to show you the USDJPY during the same time, basically the 6th March here this morning. So let's look at these signals just to show you that the EURUSD example wasn't a cherry-picked example. This actually works on all pairs, on all markets. You can use it on any market that have binary options. Let's look at this sell signal here. So we have a sell signal, so we say that price will be below this level 3 minutes from now. So we have 1, 2, 3. This is a win. Let's look at this signal. So we say price will be above this level. So we have 1, 2, 3. This is also a win. So we have a buy signal here. Price will be above this level 3 candles from now. So we have 1, 2, 3. Also a win. You have this buy signal here, 3 candles from now. So we have 1, 2, 3, and you see it closes just above the level. And it doesn't matter if it closes just a few pips above the level or if it closes high above the level. You will still make the same amount of profit when using binary options, and that's the beauty of it. It's very, very powerful. We then have a new buy signal here, and 1, 2, 3. This is also a win. So you see here, During the same time this morning, when we have the EURUSD trades, we also have these wins on USDJPY. Now we have a sell signal, so we say price will be below this level, and it looks like it could have been a win, but it could also have been a break even. So we say that this is a break even just for sake of it. And you have a buy signal here. So 3 minutes from now, price will be above this level, 1, 2, 3, and it closes just at the level. So this is also a break even. And now we have a buy signal here. So 3 minutes from now, price will be above this level, and we have 1, 2, 3. So this is our first loss, and you can see here we had so many winners, and this is our first loss. And then we have a buy signal up here, 3 minutes from now, 1, 2, 3. Very simple and secure profits right here. So as you can see here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners, 1 loss, and 2 break-evens. So it's pretty easy to see that this system is very profitable. It works great on the 1 minute chart, and the important thing here is choosing a binary option with expiration 3 minutes after the signal. And as I said before, this system makes trading easy because I've coded all the analysis and everything into this system. So you basically just need to follow the signals and enter your trades. You don't even need to worry about where to place your stop loss and take profit, because when using binary options, the only thing you need to decide is price going to be above or below a certain level. And as you can see here, when we get buy signals, we say that price will be above the level 3 minutes from now, and we have a very high accuracy using this system. I wouldn't be surprised if FX Master Code pays for itself on your first day using it. I look forward to seeing you inside the members area, and I look forward to hearing about your results using FX Master Code. Thank you so much for watching. Happy trading, and talk soon.